Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me or who are new here, my name is Will. I'm a lace wig designer and maker, and today I'll be showing you how to do double knotting very close up. I hope you enjoy it. Here's a clip. Hi everyone, welcome back from the intro. Okay, so I have got my looped hair and my knotting hook. So let's get started. Now for your turnover, if you don't know what I mean by turnover, I will link it somewhere up here. If you're practicing double knotting, I would suggest for your turnover to be maybe 2 inches just to start off with, and then as you start to get a bit more confident, bring it down to about 1.5 inches. Okay, you see how we have this dart here? Now, where possible, I always like to double knot in these darts for 2 reasons. One, I like to make sure that there's absolutely no chance that this dart will come apart. I know that it's been sewn on both sides here, but it just gives that extra element of security, and also it makes sense to double knot the hair so it doesn't fall out of what is 1, 2, 3 layers of lace. So just to make sure that your knots are nice and secure on all the layers of lace, just to double knot. Okay, so it's essentially, just bring it into shot there, it's essentially just doubling a single knot. So we'll go into this hole, going through all of those layers of lace, then your needle comes out, then you catch your hairs. Although you try to catch hairs, we all make mistakes. Catch your hairs, using your middle finger for tension just to keep it in place. Pull it through the hole, over, and pull, making sure that that knot's nice and tight. Then again, keeping your finger here, and then pull. That gives you a lovely tight knot. I'll do some more with you. Just try and get this hair out of the way. I was trying to find my metal clips, but they seem to have gone walkabouts, but that's alright. I've got a curvy grip here. Okay, so in through the hole, all the layers of lace. Catch the hair, pull it through, a single knot, double knot, and again. You have to be a little bit careful with this because it can get a little bit fiddly, but that's alright. Patience, it's a skill that a wig maker learns, believe me. So, pull the hair through, over, turn the needle, pull through. You can see that's nice and tight since the knot's not going anywhere, yeah? Over again, pull. Good that happened actually. This is an accidental split knot, but if I can find it, put the needle through the little loop and just pull it through. Yeah, I'll do a few more at normal speed. Well, I say normal speed, I always get a little bit slower when I'm on the camera, just so I like to make sure that you can keep up with me. Yep. See how nice and flat they're looking? Getting a little bit fiddly. So yeah, through again, catch them in whatever hairs you need to catch, pull through, over, use the needle to pull it through, and using your middle or your ring finger. I sometimes use my ring finger to keep the tension to pull it through. And if the knot's not tight enough, now if your lace allows this, this is quite durable lace that I'm using, but if you're using quite delicate lace, be very gentle, because if you pull too tight, it not only pulls out the hair, but it also rips the lace, and that could potentially ruin the whole thing, so please be very careful. But you can just pull a little bit to make it a little bit tighter. It's things like making these slight little differences. It makes such a lot of difference when, you know, like to the final result of whatever you're making, be it a lace wig, lace closure, you know, repair job, whatever it is you're doing. It's little touches like this that makes all the difference. And again, I like to use my curved German needle because it's so easy to work with. I use it for knotting, double knotting, sewing, everything. The only time I use any other needle is for really fine hairline work. Then I would use the Asian hook, but I wouldn't use the German needle, the traditional German needle, because unless I'm broken here. I find them very difficult to work with because they're at such an angle, so these ones are just perfect for me. Yeah, so that's basic double knotting. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, and if you've not already done so, subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this video and if there's any other suggestions you have for me for future videos, and I'll see you all again very soon. Take care, bye for now.